Hi guys. This is Mo Arden of NowBuildIt.com. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make money teaching English online. You can consider 3 different ways in teaching English online. The first way is you can choose to find an online teaching job. The second way is that you can post your profile on freelancing websites. The third and foremost lucrative way is to find your own paying students. Just to get things straightened out, this video will not show you how to find an online teaching job. Instead, I'm going to show you how you can teach English online independently and find your own paying students. By creating a website and offering valuable lessons, you can attract learners who will love working with you. Your next most likely question will be, how do I earn money from the website as an online teacher? There are 5 ways that you can consider in order to earn money as an online teacher. One way is to offer one-on-one lessons online. This is the most popular way to teach online. You meet with one student on Zoom or Skype and conduct a lesson. The benefit of teaching one-on-one lessons is that it's faster to build up an income than compared to the other options available. The downside is that you only get paid when you're allocating your time for teaching. The next option is to offer group lessons online. This is where you're similarly using virtual platforms, but instead of meeting just one student, you're meeting 2 or more students. The benefit of this is that you can leverage your time more. In general, teaching in a group pays better than one-on-one tuition. The slight disadvantage is that you need to find a group of students who are going to commit to a series of lessons at the same time. The third way is to create and sell online courses. The advantage to this approach is obvious, as you can attain scaling in your teaching. Once you have created your course, you're no longer restricted by the number of hours you can set aside to teach. In theory, the amount of sales that you can make is limitless. The con to this approach is that you will need to gather a large audience and create an in-demand course in order to make this work. The fourth option is to sell digital products. While you can consider categorizing them similarly to online courses, however, they should be considered as a separate category. This is because they have a slightly different teaching approach and objective for your students. A digital product could be an ebook or audiobook, digital worksheets or flashcards. The fifth way is to provide a complimentary service to teaching English. This is where you don't need to teach a student. Instead, you offer services that can be completed according to your schedule. This could include proofreading, providing website feedback or article writing. You can consider this as a good alternative to one-on-one teaching, especially if you find that you are unable to commit to dedicating a teaching space. Now that you know the ways of making money from your website, the next step will be in building your website. But you may think that building a website is hard, and you do not know where to start. You may also think that you need to be a techie geek in order to be able to build a website. And it is also very important that you look at building your website as a start to building a business. One myth many believe is that by just building a website, people will magically find and read about it. But that is just not true. People can't read something that they cannot find. So, where should you start? Introducing Solo Build It. Solo Build It is an all-in-one step-by-step system of process and software business builder. And what that means is that it enables real people to build real online businesses about real niches with joy and passion. In Solo Build It, you will be able to unlock the number one thing that's been holding you back and empower yourself to overcome any and all obstacles. Evaluate, pick and refine your business concept to ensure maximum profitability. Discover how you can grow the largest and most stable income quicker than you ever thought possible. Easily overcome your biggest fear and turn Solo Build It into the best investment you have ever made. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here's proof that Solo Build It websites are getting an insane volume of traffic and high rankings on Alexa.com. Bear in mind that anyone can put up a site or a blog nowadays. As a result, the number of sites grows ever more quickly. The total number is now at 200 million sites, and all of them are competing for traffic. Let's take a look at our first Solo Build It website, perfectenglishgrammar.com. The website is run by Sinead and has attained a 10+K ranking in Alexa.com. Next we have another Solo Build It website, EnglishGrammarRevolution.com. The website is run by Elizabeth O'Brien and has attained a 100+K ranking in Alexa.com. Last but not least, the next Solo Build It website is EnglishHints.com. The website is run by Catherine Simonton and has attained a 300+ K ranking in Alexa.com. All these websites are competing for traffic with 200 million other websites and have astoundingly achieved a top 0.5% ranking. The sad reality? Most sites, even the sharpest looking ones, attract almost no visitors. No traffic generates no income, not the results you seek. Solo Build It gets you results, and an investment in Solo Build It today means that you will immediately receive a step-by-step video, written and mobile versions of the action guide that will help you every step of the way, leading you through the most effective online business building process available anywhere. All the tools you need to grow your increasingly profitable online business. From niche research, to site building, to monetization planning, Solo Build It has you covered. Solo Build It keeps you up to date, so you don't have to waste low-yield time doing it. Software updates and additions are free and automatic too. 24/7 support is always at your fingertips. And get business building assistance at the Help and Be Helped Solo Build It forums, an exclusive, private community of like-minded solopreneurs who care. Now are hard times, and Solo Build It wants to help as many people as possible. Solo Build It has been championing the benefits of working from home and enjoying what you do since 1997. Now, for the first time in history, Solo Build It is offering their services at a heavily discounted price during these difficult times. Solo Build It has slashed both their annual and monthly plans to help you get going. They've helped people from around the world take back control of their future. They can do the same for you. Today you won't invest $29.99 per month or $299 per year. Today your price, and only if you act now, is $19.99 per month or $199 per year. The income possibilities of Solo Build It are limitless. But you won't achieve anything, you won't change anything, and you won't take a step towards the future if you don't act. Now is the time to achieve your dream of generating a stable and recurring income from your profitable online business. There is no better time now than to take that first step, to decide that Solo Build It is the right product for you, and that it can help you achieve your dream in running a profitable online business. Simply click on the link in the description below to get started right now.